Let's talk about Rare. Rare is sitting at 11 cents, 11.3. And this is a project I have not covered in the past from its fundamentals perspective. Its full name is SuperRare. So let's look at its fundamentals. This thing is launched in 2021, somewhere around 17th of August 2021. That is not 17th of August to be exact, but you can say July, August 2021. That is when this thing was launched. The overall project has gone through a good amount of inflation, which means that they released good amount of tokens. The inflation that I can see here just visually while looking at it, I can tell you that it is 12. This is just a second, 195, 166. Yeah, the inflation that it has gone through is at least around 600 to 700%, which means now you need to invest 700% more to push it back to the same prices that it was at one point of time. When I say one point of time, I'll show you what do I mean by that. If you look at it, this thing initially started at $5. And then it was able to put up a bit of a fight around $2.6 and then $1.3 and all those areas. So right now, as this project is pumping again, the sales pitch in the market is always look at the previous all-time high. Even if it achieves 50% of that all-time high, you're going to be rich, you're going to be a millionaire. You can buy your wife new set pairs of boobs, or whatever the sales pitch that they are going out and selling there is total bullshit, because it has inflated so much that now it is impossible for this thing even to go towards $1. But that being said, that is how it is fundamentally. And the sad part is there is still 20% of the tokens that are yet to get released. Overall supply of this coin, and the supply of coins on Rare is 1 billion. They have only released 805 million. So 800 million is released, 1 billion is the total, 200 million is yet to be released, and it is already inflated so much. So fundamentally, as this project is garbage, I would never look at it from the perspective of long term, but from short term TA perspective, why not? Let's talk about TA. If we talk about short-term TA perspective, it has broken out of the downward trend. It was stuck under this red line. It was on a continuous downward trend, and after creating this big dildo, it shot up. Now, our first target for this was 10 cents, and of course, after that, the next target is 18.8 cents. Now, as long as it holds 10 cents, because right now it is sitting somewhere around 11.3 cents. So as long as it doesn't go below 10 cents, because after such kind of crazy pump, these things can actually retrace. But I wouldn't expect it to lose 10 cents. 10 cents is both a psychological support as well as it makes sense from the TA's perspective. As long as it doesn't lose 10 cents for more than 2 days, I would expect Rare to be on an upward journey towards 18.8 cents. After it conquers 18.8 cents, I'll come back and then we can start talking about 30, 34 cents, those targets. But it really needs to hold this area. And that's pretty much it from the TA's perspective. And this target that I'm talking about, and even though I know that it's not a good project from long-term perspective, I still expect it to go up just because of the fact that the market cap of this project right now is $91 million. So a few jokers out there in the market that don't read anything, and some influencer would post something and then they would go and buy like monkeys. All that money, when it comes in, it's not that big money, but the market cap is small, so the coin can easily be pushed towards these targets. But because I'm not talking about 100-200% gains, I'm talking about 20-30% move, which is very, very easy to achieve. Even if we talk about 100% move, it's still very easy to achieve. Going from $91 million market cap to $182 million market cap is not that difficult. All you need is just like $20-30 million from some people, then you're done with it. It can easily pump up. Anyway, that's Rare for you, and I'll see you next video. Thank Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.